Welcome to our video with information for you. Here you can read about your user license and some important alert points for this course. There are different rules, depending on whether you have a company license, or you have a single user license. Please read these rules carefully. Look at this page to see how we have selected the focus areas for our courses. Notice that the main purpose with our courses is to provide an introduction to the selected disciplines. On this page and the following page you will find some information and background details about the owner and developer of Bischoff Academy. Our slogan "The Visible Way" covers focus, find your training needs. Action, choose your course. Complete the training and examination. Practice, use what you have learned and use the tools in practice. Our 80-20 education system has as first priority, minimum 80% illustrations and not more than 20% text. On this page you will find an overview of our learning method. On the following 2 pages we explain more detailed about our training method. It is very important that you read and understand these pages to get the best result out of your course. This information is for you, who do not have this training. The 80-20 training method assumes that you will repeat again and again during the training. In the end you will get a good understanding of the substance, and remember the learned disciplines. This is because we have been focusing on illustrations rather than text. You can quickly repeat again and again at any time you need to. Do you need specialized knowledge of the substance? There are plenty of courses on the market, where the emphasis very often is placed more on the quantity and detail of the technical substance. With 80-20 teaching modules you will receive a step-by-step operational knowledge, which you can use in practice immediately or use it as a solid introduction to a further, more specialized training course. This information is for you, who have completed this training, but just want to revise. The 80-20 training method is suitable for those who have already taken a specialist training, and maybe just want to get a quick repetition of the discipline on a less cumbersome and more general level. Here is our 80-20 Click and Learn modules, a good tool for you, who want this rapid repetition. You get a quick review and a good overview of the selected discipline. On this page you will see an example of a teaching page and an explanation of how to read and understand it. Step 1. Read the text on the teaching slide. Step 2. Look closely at the picture and try to relate it to the text. Step 3. Read the text again and use a few minutes to get an understanding of the substance. Step 4. Repeat step 1 to 3 if necessary, or go on to the next slide. We hope that you will get a high return value on your training. Now you can start with the next video, the introduction, to get a good start on your course. Thank you for your attention.